Welcome, this is Kathy Passeri from the Center of Instructional Technology and Online Learning at the University of Maryland, Eastern Shore. Today, I'm going to show you how you can present a PowerPoint file to your students using Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. This will presume that you have already created sessions for your students in your classroom. Navigate to your course, navigate to Collaborate Ultra. In the left course menu, your sessions are set up here. If you click on one of these sessions, you will notice that you cannot actually enter the session right now because they're not available. They have not yet started. I'm going to use this course room as an example, but once one of these class sessions actually become available, you will be able to do the same steps. Go over to here to join your classroom. So I'm going to click here and it clicks join course room, and then Blackboard Collaborate will open up. We have two items here. A session menu. This is where you can start recording if you need to record. And don't forget, in the state of Maryland, you must declare to your audience that you will be recording. The other thing is your Collaborate panel. Right now, I have set up my microphone and camera, but I have not opened it yet. So down the bottom here, I need to click on the microphone to share audio, and here to share my video if I want to share it with my student. So you can see there, I'm doing this recording, so I'm going to show this. From here, you're going to want to go to Share Content, and we're going to click on Share Files. I need to upload a file. I've already got one in here, but I'm not going to use that. I'm going to show you how to upload a file. So if I go and grab a file from my local drive, I'm going to grab this one here and I'm going to drag it into here. Or you could click the plus symbol and upload it. And as you can see, the file is converting. Once the file has converted, I'm going to use this file here because this is going to take some time. So that early entry to the session, this is the time where you want to upload your files. Actually, this is converted here. If I've got more than one PowerPoint, you can upload PowerPoints, PDFs, PNG, or JPEG files into here. I can click which presentation I want. I can click Share Now, and then I can click on the slide. And now this will be visible to the students. I can navigate from slide to slide to the students. And if I need to use any of these whiteboard items, I can if I want to show the students, even if I want to ask the students to do some interactivity. If I've allowed them to go draw on the whiteboard, they can, and they can do that. This is the stop sharing button. This here, with the share files feature, Blackboard actually converts these to image files, and therefore if you've got any animations on your PowerPoint presentations, or if you've got a link to an external website or a YouTube video, the students will not be able to see that if it's going externally outside of Blackboard Collaborate. But this is an excellent way for you to present your PowerPoint presentations like you usually would do in class, and you can even record it for you. Thank you and have a great day.